You've probably seen those viral AI dancing character videos all over TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Animated girls, stylized avatars, anime characters, or hyper-realistic AI models dancing exactly like real people. Some of these videos explode in views unbelievably fast, and what surprises most people is that they are not animated manually at all. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can create these dancing AI character videos completely for free. You don't need animation skills, expensive software, or any technical background. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own dancing character that moves with realistic human motion. Before we jump into the tools, it helps to briefly understand how this trend works. These videos aren't random AI movements. They are created by taking a normal dance video of a real human being and transferring that motion onto a character image. So the character is not inventing new moves. It's literally copying real human dancing. That is why the results look so natural and expressive, and it's exactly why this trend has taken over social media. Let's dive in. The first step is to create your character, and for this we will use Nano Banana. This is where your creativity really comes in. Your character can be anything you want: a cartoon character, an anime character, a stylized avatar, or a realistic human model. You can even design characters that match your AI persona or brand identity. The only thing you really need to keep in mind is that your character should be a full body image from head to toe, not just a portrait. Try to keep the pose neutral, like standing straight or in a relaxed position, because this helps the AI understand the limbs and joints clearly when it applies the dancing motion. I'll leave the prompt in the description. Once you design the character and you're happy with how it looks, download the image in good quality. The second step is to get a video of someone dancing. This can be a video of yourself, which is actually the easiest option because you control exactly what you want the dance to look like. Just use your phone, stand where your full body is visible, and record yourself dancing. The dance doesn't have to be perfect. Simple TikTok-style moves work really well. If you don't want to record yourself, you can also ask a friend or use another video. But this is very important. If you plan to post the video publicly or monetize it, make sure the person in the video has agreed for their dance to be used. Always respect people's privacy and consent. Also, try to choose a video where the full body is visible and the camera is not shaking too much, because clear motion gives you much better AI results. Now we move to the most exciting part, making your AI character actually dance. For this step, we will use Wan. Head over to Wan, and you can find the link in the description box below. Once you land on the homepage, log into your account or quickly create one if you don't already have it. Inside Wan, you'll see several creative options such as generating videos, creating images, or making avatars. Since we are doing a dance swap, select the avatar option. From the drop-down menu, you will see choices like speech to video, character swap, and photo animation. The option we want is character swap because we are replacing the original dancer with our AI character while keeping the same movement. At this point, the process is very simple. Upload your dancing video first, then upload the character image you created earlier. After both files are uploaded, select Generate and let the AI do its work. Wan is free to use, but there is a wait time, especially if many people are generating videos at once. Don't worry if it takes a few minutes. That is normal. You can step away for a bit and come back when it finishes rendering. When your video is ready, you can finally see the result. Your character will now be dancing with the same moves as the original person in the clip. The motion feels natural because it is based on real human movement. Sometimes even small facial expressions or clothing movements appear, making the animation feel more alive. I usually mute any background music at this stage to avoid copyright issues, especially for YouTube, but you can always add your own royalty-free music later in your editing software. Once you have a dancing character, the possibilities are huge. You can post it as short-form content, use it to promote music, build AI influencer personalities, create funny edits, or design mascots for brands. Just remember to stay ethical by respecting copyright and asking permission before using someone else's likeness or dance footage. Keep it fun, creative, and respectful. And that is the full process of creating viral AI dancing character videos for free. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI content creation guides and real workflows. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you'd love to see. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.